Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Career Guide Placement Solution. So today I will be discussing about few points regarding Wipro and TCS hiring. So recently you must have heard about Wipro, that Wipro company has fired 300 employees. So what is the real news or what is the real truth behind this? So I will discuss that in this video today. And what is Wipro planning about the next onboarding for the 2022 as well as for the 2023 batches. So when will you get onboarded? So I will discuss in this video today. And the third point that I will discuss is about the TCS. So many of you were asking me that in your portal many of you are can see the TCS drive applied for drive option, but many of you that option is not showing and a new application form is opening for them. So what is that all about? So for that, and if you want to get the complete details regarding it, so you need to watch this video, don't skip it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, you can join the Telegram group, the link is in the description box. So without much further delay, let's start with the video. So the first point that I will discuss is regarding Wipro. So Wipro, as you can see, Wipro fires 300 staff members found to be moonlighting for competitors. So Wipro has seen that many of its employees are working with their rivalry teams. So for that, on Wednesday, Premji said that though he has received brickbats for his comments on moonlighting, he stood by his comments and views on the issues. So Wipro terminated the service of 300 staff members who it discovered were working for its competitors while still being on the company's payroll, the firm executive chairman Rishad Premji said on Wednesday. So this is what he said: it is very simple, it is an act of integrity violation. We terminated the services of those people. Premji responded to a question from ET during the sidelines of 49th All India Management Association. So moonlighting, what is moonlighting? Moonlighting refers to pursuing more than one job at a time, and remote working has helped employees take up this option. So due to work from home option, many people are working or doing simultaneous jobs or dual jobs at a time. So that is called moonlighting, and this is all because of work from home or remote working option. So for that, the company feels that he or she has violated the rules of the company, and the companies will not accept this, and he or she will get terminated from the service. Okay, so this was all about the moonlighting. So 300 employees, as I said, is fired from the job. So as you know that in this 300 job, if the staff members are being terminated, so there is a vacancy of 300 members right now. So the company will again start hiring to fill up this post, right? So there are some official news or official some work is going on, and after that the company is going to hire again in the mid of October or November. You can see the onboarding. No complete official notice is coming up from the company, but we can expect it because we can't do anything, only we can expect it and hope for the best. So in the month of October or November, we can hope the training should start, or for the students who have completed all the training and all the other procedures, the onboarding process will get started. So the next news is Wipro is planning to hire 40,000 freshers in FY 2023. So this was the recent news. As you can see, Wipro, an Indian IT and consulting firm, is accepting applications for freshers and experienced employees to work in country for the current fiscal year. We continue to emphasize hiring diverse talent across levels, Wipro President and CHRO Saurav Govil stated of the FY23 hiring plan. In keeping with our operational model, we hire exceptional employees in many geographies. We aim to hire over 40k freshermen in 2023. So in 2023, they are planning to hire about 40,000 freshers. We have already begun the process by putting together the right team with the correct focus and competencies. In 2022, we hired almost 20 20,000 new employees. We feel this we will assist in developing the appropriate talent pipeline for the future, he added. Okay, so as you know that elite and all that, so the company has planned this year 20,000, but for the next year the company has increased its like hiring from 20,000 to 40,000 in the coming year 2023. So this is all about the news that is being said by the Wipro president and CHRO Saurav Govil. Okay, so these two big news was coming up, so I shared it with you all. Okay, the next is about the TCS. So in the TCS portal, here you can see that here edit application form PDF, campus commune, track my application, and how to apply is coming. So when you click on this track my application form, here you can see, here you will see that 3 options is going to come, that is applied for drive. For many nothing is showing, this is a blank page. Okay, but for many others 3 options are coming, and like I will show you the options. Right, see, candidate registration, registered this. So here are 4 option, as you can see: application form, campus commune, track my application, and this. When you click on this application form, one new form is going to get open. Okay, so this is the new application form for the new job role, and this is completely free, no paid version. So when you just complete this application form, in the last page you will see that this is declaration application form preview. Here you have to click on terms and condition, I agree, and then you have to submit. So this is something new, and this application form is not shown to everybody's portal. So this is very rare. In some, I got this from one of my subscribers account, so I just shared it with you all. So kindly check your TCS Next Step portal. If it is showing like this application form, then fill it up and submit the form as soon as possible. But if it is showing applied for drive already, then nothing is to be done. Okay, so you just keep checking all your portals and accounts so that you don't miss any single opportunity. And regarding Wipro, I have already told you about the 2 like moonlighting, and about the next batch hiring and all. Again I'm telling you, no, for like official notice is coming up, so don't believe in any rumors that are coming up these days. So just wait. In like you will get all communication from the team through your registered email ID. So nothing you can do is just wait and watch, and if I get any further update, I will share it with you all, guys. So if you find this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, if you are new to my channel, then you can join the Telegram group. I will come up with such new updates in the next day. Thank you for watching today's video. Bye.